You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
My name is Laura Hackett, and we're at Liberty Wildlife. So this is Henry, and that's one of our barn owls. Hi, Clarence. Hi, Clarence. Can you say ow? Ow. I don't think people realize how smart ravens and corvids are. And this is where our volunteers are taking care of the meds for them, changing bandages, giving them food and water every day. This is a baby pigeon. It's baby season, so babies beg to eat all the time.
Keep going.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Hurry up, trees, hurry up, quackers.
It's rewarding to be a part of that whole process, from start to then the release at the end.
That was Laura Hackett introducing us to birds of many feathers at Liberty Wildlife. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix Phoenix, or because of this fun drive, you just want to send us some of your bird seed, you can also send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.